Hashtag #IkoyiDidi is trending all over social media, and that's because Paystack co-founder Ezra Olubi has been suspended over sexual misconduct and old tweets he had made on minors and co-workers. Now, these were not just ordinary tweets. These tweets contained sexual words, what considered highly inappropriate towards this set of persons. Paystack reassured the public that it has launched an investigation into the matter. However, Ezra Olubi hasn't made any comment over these allegations, but he deactivated his X account, and that sends a whole lot of messages. In fact, there is now calls on social media for partners to actually check the social media history, the social media post history of their potential dates to be sure of who they are going out with. Now, remember that Ezra Olubi is not an ordinary citizen of Nigeria. In 2022, he received an order of the Niger from the then President Buhari for his contributions in technology and entrepreneurship. So this is really a big deal because it reveals that you can't just hold individuals for their talents, their global talents, but also for their moral conduct. Because at the end of the day, that is the core of society. Be sure to read about this story on our website at thenews-chronicle.com. I remain Esther Salami. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and share this video with your community.